Just how addictive are opioids? Tennessee is one of the states in a lawsuit claiming opioid manufacturers and distributors lied to doctors and patients about that very question. And today, the state's top attorney announced a massive settlement to the tune of $26 billion. News Channel 5's Jason Lamb tells us how much of that money Tennessee could see and how different groups plan to use it.
It's an historic, massive deal for states impacted the hardest by the opioid epidemic. $26 billion to be paid by several drug companies. And Tennessee Attorney General Herbert Slattery says the volunteer state will get its share.
It's probably around $600 million if we hit all the benchmarks.
But that money will be paid out over 18 years. Brian Sullivan with the Prevention Alliance of Tennessee says the money is significant, but for some Tennessee families, it may not be enough.
This is something that is going to hurt them. It's not a small amount. But, some people in recovery are left wondering, is it enough? Because they've lost everything.
The settlement is a result of investigations into drug companies fulfilling suspicious opioid orders and whether they lied to doctors and patients about how addictive opioids are. The Prevention Alliance of Tennessee says it hopes to use some of the money it stands to get to continue education efforts and speaking to Tennesseans directly.
We go into communities, churches, schools. We talk to parents, teachers, community leaders, educate them on the use of naloxone. We educate them on prevention initiatives and how to spot whether or not somebody might be turning to a substance to cope with an issue that they're facing.
For the deal to go into effect, enough states have to agree to it. They have 30 days to do so. Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.
Thanks, Jason. And a reminder that if you or someone you know might be struggling with substance abuse, there is help available. All you have to do is contact the Tennessee Red Line. That number is 1-800-889-9789.